say I'm very excited to be here today with all of you. Here at the Hancock County Technical Center, you all have incredible experiences and you've been recognized at a higher level for being a school of real excellence.
At the Milken Family Foundation, we believe that principals and teachers have the most important job because they are entrusted with the responsibility of providing all of you with a bright future. And in the spirit of paying tribute to the importance of educators, I'd like to ask all the staff to please stand up. Let's give them a big hand. Let's give them a big hand. Please stand up. One teacher during his or her career has the power to positively influence thousands. If you want to help shape the future, we ask you to think about becoming an educator. Before this assembly ends, one of your educators is going to receive this national award. $25,000! The Milken Educator Award goes to
Meghan Stubbs!
Commissioner Milken is also a veteran of the Milken Educator Awards.
Yes, congratulations. Welcome aboard. It was 2001 when I was surprised by the same award, and congratulations. And you can just see in the faces of your students here, they're so proud, and we all are. Congratulations.
Thank you all. This is a huge honor because, of course, I am teaching, hopefully, our next generation. So hopefully they see that what you do matters. I'm teaching future educators. Them, though, seeing this just shows that you are seen, right? What you do matters. I was just given the Milken Teacher Award for the state of Maine. Yeah!
I'm proud of you, so amazed. Congratulations again, dude.
Thanks, man.